So sometimes Tom, he's got some crazy ideas. I'm laughing already, but you got to have a look at this. Well, we got a motorcycle here. We're going to turn this motorcycle into a sawmill. You're going to have to stand by and watch this as we go forward with this thing. But yeah, we're going to turn this into a into a sawmill. Bye for now.